Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the wiper blades on your Chevy Equinox. First, make sure you have the correct replacement blades. Typically, the driver's side is 24 inches and the passenger's side is 17 inches. Park your Equinox on a flat surface and turn off the ignition. For safety and to prevent windshield damage, place a thick towel or cardboard on the windshield beneath each wiper arm. This simple preparation makes the process much smoother. Now, let's remove those worn-out blades. Carefully lift one wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into place. Be cautious, as the arm can snap back if not secured. Next, find the small release tab or button where the blade meets the arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade down and off the J-hook connector. Repeat this process for the other wiper arm. With the old blades removed, installing the new ones is straightforward. Take your new blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up the J-hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's fastened. Carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield, ensuring it doesn't snap down. Repeat for the second blade. You're almost done. Before hitting the road, it's crucial to test your new wipers. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield washer fluid. Watch for smooth, streak-free wiping across the entire glass. If you notice any issues, double-check the installation. Remember, cleaning your blades periodically with a damp cloth can significantly extend their effectiveness and lifespan, keeping your visibility clear for many miles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.